Hey, how's it going, guys? This is my 2019 Ram Limited Longhorn, and I'm making this video for those who have that front end clunking noise. It's more when you go over small bumps, and it was getting very annoying. I didn't know what it was when I purchased it. It's got 50,000 miles now, or shy, maybe about 49. And for the last 10,000 miles, I've had a clunky noise going up my driveway at the end over there, and small bumps and stuff. And I was doing some research, and they were saying that it was the front sway bar end links, and they were saying to just tighten them up. I tried tightening them. It didn't work. So what I did was I took the chance, and I took the risk and just bought the new sway bar links, replaced them, and it fixed the problem. Definitely fixed the problem. No more clunking. Takes the bumps pretty good, like new. And I'm gonna show you the old ones right here. I'm gonna show you exactly what's the problem with the sway bars. It's not that they were loose, but let me see. So these are the front sway bar links. This bottom part here, that goes to the control arm. This top part here goes to the sway bar that goes across the whole vehicle. And see if I can put the camera down so you can see how it works. So as you see, this part here, still pretty hard. This part here, this is what was making the noise. See, it's very, as you can see, just by moving it, it was very, see how it just moves freely. I mean, just if I shake, you can't see it on camera, but if I shake it, it just goes back and forth. I don't know if there's like a ball joint inside. It just, you see how I'm just pushing the rubber. It just moves very freely. And I replaced them. See if you can take a look. Right there, that's the new one. And I tightened them pretty tight. I did not use a torque wrench. Wow, what a difference. It is the exact same part number. It comes from Mopar. I replaced both of them. I think the ball joint that's inside here is faulty. As you can see how freely it moves. And the other side, I mean, this one takes a little bit of effort. So once I replace that, no more clunky noise. It's great. And I'm happy with it. I got a 50% windshield tinted, 5% all around. I got the Ram boxes, so you can see. Got the big 22-inch wheels. I got the Lomax bed cover. Glimpse of what I have in here. So my tools for work. I mean, it's got the whole package. It's got the steps. It's got the, you see the interior here. It's a little messy because my kids are in here. But as you can see, I have not seen this interior much on Longhorns. Only because of the stitching here. Or it's not stitching, but it's like it was punched out. Beautiful. Usually it's like stitching. You can see the stitches, but this one is more of a punctured or stamped, or I don't know what it is. But beautiful truck. Has every option possible. Again, beautiful truck. And that concludes the video. Thank you. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the front end clunky noise on the 2019 Ram Limited Longhorn Edition. Thank you.